Good morning, my dear students. Today I am back with another interesting topic, that is soil. What is soil? Something under our feet on which we used to walk. That is soil for us, right? But actually, what is soil? The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of our earth is called soil. So, soil is a mixture of many things. If we take handful of soil and watch it carefully, we can see many things in it, such as small particles of rocks, organisms, microorganisms, humus, nutrients, etc. So I have used two words, microorganisms, humus, etc. What is microorganisms? Microorganisms are like bacteria, fungi, earthworms, etc. And humus. What is humus? Humus is the organic component of the soil that is formed by the decomposition of leaves and other parts of the plants. Okay, by microorganism or soil microorganisms. Okay, so that is called humus. The soil is the mixture of nutrients, humus, organisms, microorganisms and particles or these small pieces of rocks, etc. Now let me ask you one question. If you take the soil from your courtyard and a soil from a paddy field, are they same? No. The soil of our courtyard will be very different from the soil of a paddy field. So the components of soil will be differ from place to place. Like that, the texture of soil will be different in each layers of soil. Have you heard about the layers of soil? Look at this picture. You can see the soil profile here. Soil is classified into several layers. On the top of the soil profile, we can see soil with humus and vegetation. This is the fertile soil on which the plants can grow. Okay, and the next layer is subsoil, that is with sand, silt and clay. And third, weathered rock material, not the word weathered. Okay, I will explain it later. And on the bottom, that is parent rock. Parent rock. What is parent rock? This is the base of soil. On the basis of this parent rock, the texture, the color, the smell, the components of the soil is formed. So the parent rock is like the mother of soil. And how this parent rock becomes soil? That process is called weathering. So weathering is a process by which soil is formed. Weathering is the process by which soil is formed. Now look at this video. How a parent rock becomes soil by weathering. Weathering is the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature, frost action, plants, animals, rain, wind, etc. So it is not a simple process. It takes years and years to form a centimeter of soil from a rock. And by adding many other components like nutrients, humus and the actions of microorganisms make the soil fertile. Okay. I have already said that the formation of soil is a long-term process. It takes years and years. So there are some factors of formation of soil. Along with the nature of parent rock and climate, relief, flora, fauna and microorganisms, time are the other factors that help the formation of the soil. Let us examine how each one will help the formation of the soil. Parent rock determines color, texture, chemical properties, minerals, content, permeability. That means parent rock is like the mother of the soil. So, the nature of the parent rock will determine the quality or texture of the soil. And second one, climate, temperature, rain, wind, the frost actions. This will affect the weathering and it helps the formation of soil. Now, flora, fauna and microorganism. Flora means the particular plants in a specific area, the particular plants that grow in a specific area. Fauna means the animals of that particular area. So the flora and fauna means the plants and animals in a particular area will affect the formation of the soil of that particular area. And the microorganisms. Microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, earthworms, etc. also help soil formation. And next one is relief. What is relief? The altitude and slope determines the accumulation of soil. In the hillside areas or in the mountain areas, the soil will not be that much fertile because it will always washing off due to the floods or the water or by wind, etc. So the soil will not be permanent at a specific area. It will wash off to other places by the wind, water, etc. But in the valleys and plains, the soil will be hold on to land because of the gravity. It will lay there itself. So the fertility will be higher in valleys and plains than the mountain side or hillside. So the relief that will affect the formation of the soil. And the last one is time. As I already said, it takes many years to form a centimeter of soil. So it will take much more years to become that soil fertile. So soil formation is a long-term process. It takes many years to form soil. So that is why we are considering soil as a precious natural resource. Without soil, the plants can't grow. Without plants, the animals and humans cannot live. So, soil is an important natural resource, but it is a renewable natural resource. Don't forget that it is a renewable natural resource. So, that's all for today's class. Catch you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.